Quick tip, we got the timing chain in. This key was factory made. It's not gonna start. See? But y'all see that little blinking light? Let me see if y'all can see it. You see the little green blinking light? See, there it goes. That means the key is not programmed to the transponder. So you're never going to get this damn Honda started if you don't get the key programmed to the transponder. He had a locksmith just make this randomly. So they have a chip in them. You'll never get the van started if you don't get that damn key programmed to the transponder. You can take the changing belt, crankshaft sensors, spark plugs, coils. I don't know, it needs to be programmed. Not the key, damn thing won't work. Little tip on a Honda Odyssey 2004.